You are in After Effects, and you have your text animation, object, or any other item that you want to export without background, ready to be exported. Click on File, Export, and Add to Render Queue. Click on a blue text right next to Output Module, and Output Module settings will pop up. In order to be able to export with transparent background, you have to change the format to QuickTime and then go to Format Options and pick Animation. This will unlock the RGB plus alpha channel in Video Output tab that you want to pick in Channels. Click OK and then hit Render. Video will be rendered to a folder which you have set in an Output To tab. Now, if you want to use it in Premiere Pro or other video editing software, simply open Premiere Pro and drag and drop the rendered video. Voila, the text has transparent background as you intended. Like and subscribe to my channel if you found it helpful. Thank you.